Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your Stripe password right from your smartphone. Stripe is an online payment processing and credit card processing platform for businesses. Changing the password is a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and open up your preferred browser. For this tutorial, I'll open my Google Chrome. Once you are in your browser, tap on the search bar and type in stripe.com. So this is the home base of the Stripe. Here you can see the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Next up, tap on sign in button. This is the login screen, so enter your email address and your password to log into your account. So once you log into your account, you'll see this screen. Now in order to change your password, you need to go to the settings menu. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. I can zoom it for you. Tap on it. After that, tap on the profile icon. Here you can see all of your profile details. The first section is of user, where I can see my email address, my name, and my password. So on this section, there is an edit option too at the right hand side. So tap on edit. Now you can see the option to change password. So tap on change password. It will send you the verification link, so tap on send my verification link. As you can see, I've received my email, so tap on it. This email is trying to verify if this account belongs to me, so you can tap on verify me. Now you will be prompted to this screen to change your password. You need to enter your old password first and choose a new strong password that will be easy to remember. After you enter your old and new password, now tap on change password, and there you go. You've successfully changed your Stripe password using your phone. You can even do this with your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.